copyright. Yeah.
Copyright.
Volume. So much though. Wait, which part? You know me, in anticipation for precipitation. Stakes for my rainy day. Rain is back.
Miss Sunshine.
Miss Sunshine, Rihanna, where at? Have my heart, and you'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, you'll choose in the heart. Baby, cause in the dark, you can see shining stars. And when you need me there, with you I'll always share. Because when the sun shines, we'll shine together. Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. But you know that we'll stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, when the winds will have each other, yeah, you can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella. Under my umbrella, rela, yeah, you say rela, na? Rela, rela, umbrella, this Mother India is here. Yeah, look at this skin. We're waiting for you here 10 minutes, bro.
Stay in the lane there. They were coming down.
Lane doesn't mean over there, bro. It's fine.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to meet Tao. Tao, right? Gay Tao. On the way with my
hands out. Bye. Tino ये चलो साथ चलो
पेटीएम है ना
bro, you had to do them like this, bro. Give here. Now on our way to Munirka. What the fuck is that?
My guys still like sticky as fuck.
On our way to Munirka to buy, to get some pork, and we'll meet Sang. He just called. Hello?
Alright guys, Real taking over. So right now, like Jake said, we're gonna go to Munirka, we're gonna buy pork, we're gonna buy the ingredients, and then we will go and head to Sikandarpur to like cook at Tao's place. Okay, so we're gonna go transition. We're gonna meet you at Munirka.
Okay, now we're back in Pogo. We just reached Munirka. We get some pork and we'll meet Sang. Alright, see you guys later. Hey yo, check this out. Sang, Mr. Sang Vai Now we're at Sang place, and look at this laziest nigga. Huh? Okay,
so we are in Usama's house. He's right there. This guy doing. I'm very tired, guys. So right now I'm going to touch Kaimun. Hello, come on, pose like a girl, gay pose.
Fucking gay pose.
She's 5'2", minus 3. When I stand my money, I'm 5'6". Just. Brother.
just reached our pork place, so we'll be getting some few kilo of porks, and then we'll go back. All right. Yo, we just bought pork, and this nigga is hanging. This nigga is taking it.
Fun, guys. We bought the devotees. Where the f you even get that from?
Hey yo, this guy's creepy, yo. Oh, here.
Lazy.
Just reached Sikandarpur. And we'll go to Tower place. So we'll see you guys there. Nah. Hey yo. Tao, look this side. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, hello.
Mother India. Tao. Too dark, na? Too dark, huh? Hey yo. Just reached Tao's place. What the heck? How do you close this? So noisy, man. Yes, my gay brother is cooking, and two gays are about to happening. Cooking rice and gay happening. Here's Sang. Okay, we'll get back to you once we start mukbang. See you. Okay, so now we're going to cook this pork and the blood. Right? Look at this blood on your torso, bro. Once torso like that, oh.
Kino.
So, hey yo, incoming pork blood. Yeah. We're going to cook with this blood.
Bro.
Yeah, Hamulan.
Ambari dish like.
Oh, eat. I'll pay you 5,000.
For real?
Yes.
For real?
Yeah. You have to swallow though. And here, the rice is cooking. And the blood is pressing. And here, the pork will be frying.
I show my phone to fuck the blood.
Cholo. Alright, I'll see you guys.
Oh shit, what the f bro? Oh my god, Kamula, what did you do? This guy owes me money, bro. This guy owes me money. You better give me that
Wait, let me.
Guys,
Yeah.
we have a special guest tonight. He's about to show us what a guitarist looks like.
I'm loving you. If we go again, all the way from the start, I would try.
DC.
Yeah, I'm still loving you, yeah. Still loving you.
That's it, guys. We survived, guys.
Yo, I might not know the key of the guitar, but I sang well, right?
No.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're at Tao's house right now. Jack, how you feeling, bro?
I thought I sang very well with the guitar and everything. Correct key, correct note.
Too much time,
Bro,
yeah.
I'm a survivor, bro. I'm a survivor.
So right now we're cooking pork. I'm the chef, Chef Real, and this is the owner, the house of the owner, the owner of the house. Alright, y'all. Just finished cooking the pork, and this is it. So basically, it's ash lights over. Come on, the flashlight. Alright, guys. So we just finished. We just finished cooking the pork. So it's pork with pork blood. Now this is it. This is pork with pork blood. Wisu. This is rice. Raw vegetable. Kamulan, what is the name of this?
I don't know, bro. I don't even know.
In our local language. What the fuck?
So start. Guys, let's get started. Today I'm going to meet my son. You also one go. Where did you throw the remaining, bro?
That's yours, bro.
You throw the remaining now.
It's yours. That's yours.
Wait, bro. Don't say that, bro. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3. Hey, wait. Start.
No. You got there, camera, right? Bro. You fucking bitch.
Start the right. What the hell? I'll die, man, bro.
It's fine, I'll also die.
Mamacita!
Asan to? Ang green, ito guys, pwede. Actually, it's not spicy na.
Laura.
It is.
Laura. Start.
Sorry, it's not spicy, but pass me the water one time.
This spread.
Langsung daplo ah.
I'm dying. I can't eat food here.
Hey, don't touch your eyes. Don't touch your eyes.
Tao, do you have ice cube?
These niggas crying.
No, I'm not crying.
Tao, give me ice cube.
Hey, come back. No,
Wait.
bro.
I can't get bro.
It's not even that spicy, bro.
Let's put one in this guy's mouth.
Bro, are you okay? Are you okay? You okay? I'll take more. Where's the Sprite? Where's the Sprite? Bring the Sprite now. The Sprite.
I'm not okay, guys.
It's not spicy.
Maybe it's not recorded anymore.
It's not spicy.
Virgin, change the virgin. Keep on clicking. I'll use that one, okay?
I swear to God, bro.
Rosa, I want to vomit.
I'm gonna die.
Rosa.
What?
This is my first time in my life. It's not funny anymore, bro. Come. Keep na low.
Oh, you can put the beers in fridge.
Don't give me cold
One
water.
more ice cube, yeah. where's the ice cube? Check two out of picture.
Come and click my ear drop. Come and click my ear. My eye drop.
Không go.
Ah, I'm dead, guys. Amit, me boy.
No reaction.
Okay, no reaction to me. Ah!
My stomach, oh my god, bro. I can't anymore, my stomach hurts.
My eye. My chest. I can't feel my chest, guys.
Can you feel this?
No.
Jack, by the way, what is the bet?
I don't.
Why though, why?
I don't even want to listen to your voice right now, bro. Ah, my chest is hurting, yeah.
I can't anymore.
Now just press the top. See, inside the chili there is a seed and everything, right? There is one. I threw this one, okay. But this guy, he ate everything. He ate something like this. Yo, what do you want to say about the mukbang?
It was good. I had fun. Food was good.
Pork was good, right?
Yeah, pork was good.
So the pork was good. We cook it with blood. Sang, hey Amit, how do you feel about the pork cooked with blood? Huh?
It's good.
It's good. As if this guy's hiding. Sang, how do you feel about the pork?
Yeah, good.
It's good, Tao?
No.
Yo, is it good?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, okay, Tao, for hosting the mukbang in your house. Hey. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow. Yo, peace out. Our Uber has just arrived. Chale. Okay, so now we're heading back towards home.
You already did the outro, bro.
No, outro is done, okay, for the mukbang. Now we'll go and drop this guy, this gay guy first, and Sang and Moon. After that, me, the handsome guy.
Amit will go in
After
after
that,
some guy though, eh?
Amit last.
Some guy.
Okay, so for the day, wait, let me, before I said Jack's vlog out, hold like this now. Thank you for the love and support, for subscribing. Yeah.
Wait, can get
Wait. And
please subscribe.
please subscribe for more videos. Wait, I'm so fair now. Don't do like that.
To the channel.
Welcome. No.
Welcome.
End of the channel. Wait, nah. I'll see you guys in the next. Before that, Real want to say something.
Guys, make sure you share this video. Tell your family and friends to subscribe. Tell your kid, tell your dog, tell your neighbor.
Like the subscribe.
Tell your ancestors also to subscribe.
Tell the Zomato guy to subscribe too.
अच्छा हाँ भैया आप भी subscribe कर लो ना.
Follow me, guys. Follow me on my Instagram. I don't care if you subscribe or not, but follow me on my
चिपा चुका दो था
Instagram.
ना.
Thank you for all subscribers. Thank you to all for subscribing to my channel. And
For all my channel.
shut up. I mean, let me complain even once, at least once. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel and for liking my video. And we have reached Gurgaon. Actually, you can't see anything, but it's fine. Still we can see, it's fine. And we're heading towards our home. So now, thank you again. Thank you so much for your love and support again. No. Jokes apart. By the way, I didn't jokes. Okay, so This guy is laughing like anything. Yeah. So today pork cooking and mustard leaf happening. Okay, so wait. Now we're stuck in traffic. Thank you for the love and support again.
Jack, let the video end now, bro.
Actually, I can't end the video because of your love and support. Okay, guys.
Please stop.
Wait. Final message to all of you.
Thank you for your love.
Please share and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you for your love and support.
Wait, that one I'll say that later. So stay tuned. Goodbye. Thank you for the love and support.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Amit, bye, bolo.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay, today we're going to do. I'm just kidding. Thank you for the love and support. Okay, finally, thank you for the love and support. Police, wait. Thank you for the police and support.
Wait, bro.
Hey. And these cows will subscribe.
Hey,
Wait.
one more.
No.
By the way, big shout out to Tao for letting us use his house. Apparently his fridge is bigger than his house.
Okay, guys. Last again. Last. Okay, this is the final message. Thank you for the love and support.
Yeah.
I can say again. It's fine now.
Yeah, it's fine.
Go ahead. Do you guys have any problem repeating that?
No, it's fine, bro.
Okay. Thank you for the love and support. Just shut up now, bro. Wait. See, you gotta appreciate this police here. They're doing duty 24/7.
We have to thank you for their.
Thank you for their love and support. To the police, thank you for your love and support. Oh, Ronaldo.
Goat.
Okay. So bye, guys.
Bye.
I'll see you when I see you.
Bye.
Next video. Wait, don't close yet. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for the love and support once again. Stay tuned and don't ever unsubscribe.
Bro, this is not ending. My hand is hurting.
Unsubscribing is illegal in India. And I think our this guy is also boring now. So I'm going to end this vlog with saying that thank you for your love and support. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Wait, bye.